Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat. Today is July 16th 2024. So the Morse code for today is loop LOOP. First thing you do is to go to daily cipher here. When you click on daily cipher, to change the interface will change. So for the L, you do 1 dot, 1 dash and 2 dots. 1 dot, 1 dash and 2 dots. 1 2. For the L, let's go again. 1 dot, 1 dash, 2 dots. That's for the L. For the O, you do 3 dashes. 1 2 3. 3 dashes. You repeat the same thing for the second O. 1 2 3. Oh, we lost that. I think there was a mistake there. So you repeat again. For the O is 3 dashes. Remember, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So for the P, you do 1 dot, 2 dashes and 1 dot. 1 dot, 2 dashes. We'll have to start afresh. So for the L, 1 dot, 1 dash and 2 dots. For the O, remember it's 3 dashes. So let's go for the P again. 1 dot and 2 dashes. 1 dot, 1 dash, second dash and the last dot. That's for the P. So the card is cracked. Go ahead to take the prize. That's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching, guys.